Need ice fast? These compact machines crank out cubes so your drinks stay chilled. No freezer wait. First, EUHOMY Countertop Auto Cleaning Portable, $129.99. This EUHOMY Countertop ice maker combines quick ice production with an auto cleaning feature, so you get fresh cubes fast and spend less time on maintenance. Perfect for small parties or busy kitchens where you need ice on demand without fuss. Second, EUHOMY 26 pounds per day with removable basket, $139.99. For heavier ice needs, this EUHOMY model makes up to 26 pounds per day and has a removable basket for easy serving. It's great for frequent entertainers or small offices where a steady ice supply keeps drinks flowing. Third, self-cleaning anti-scale stainless countertop ice maker, $109.99. If durability and low upkeep matter, choose this stainless countertop unit with anti-scale and self-cleaning features. It's compact yet efficient, a good fit for kitchens that need reliable cubes without the plastic smell. Fourth, EUHOMY Compact Self-Cleaning Portable Machine, $119.99. Another portable EUHOMY option that balances footprint and output. The self-cleaning routine and compact size make it excellent for apartments, RVs, or smaller patios where occasional ice production is essential. Fifth, Aeitto One-Click Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker, $99.99. Tight on budget? The Aeitto gives you one-click cleaning and fast ice cycles at a lower price point. It's not the highest capacity but performs